In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete old leads in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. If your leads inbox has gotten a bit cluttered over time, this quick cleanup will make it easier to focus on what actually matters. I'll guide you through it in a clear, simple way so you can follow along and be done in just a few moments. Start by opening Pipedrive and looking to the left-hand sidebar. Click on Leads, then choose the Leads inbox. This is the central place where your lead records are listed in a table view, making it easy to scan names, companies, labels, and any other columns you've set up. Take a second to get oriented to the layout. The checkboxes live on the left side of each row, and the main toolbar appears above the list. This is the area we'll be using to manage and remove old entries. Next, select the leads you want to delete by checking the boxes next to each one. You can choose just a few individual records, or pick many at once if you're doing a bigger cleanup. As you tick those boxes, you'll notice that the action bar at the top becomes more active. Before you move on, it's worth pausing to confirm that these are truly leads you don't need anymore. Maybe they're outdated, duplicates, or never qualified. A quick glance at names, companies, and last activity can help you feel confident about your selection. Remember, you're simply choosing which rows to act on. Nothing is removed until you confirm the delete action in the next step. With your unwanted lead selected, click the Delete button at the top of the table list. You'll see it in the toolbar above the Leads table, and it becomes available as soon as at least one lead is checked. Deleting from here cleans up your leads inbox so your sales team can work more efficiently, spend less time scrolling, and keep the focus on active, high-quality records. This is especially helpful if you do periodic maintenance, like clearing out stale, unresponsive, or clearly irrelevant leads. And that's all it takes. Click into the Leads inbox, check the boxes for the leads you no longer need, and hit Delete. In just a couple of minutes, you've streamlined your workspace, reduced noise, and made it easier to spot the opportunities that count. If you keep this simple routine in mind, staying organized becomes second nature, and your pipeline stays accurate and manageable. Thanks for watching, and I hope this quick cleanup helps you get more done with less clutter.